The Samsung Galaxy S3 Mini's name, specifically the i8-190 model, is a bit of a misnomer because despite the similar exterior design and almost identical software feature set, under the hood it has more in common with the old Samsung Galaxy S Advanced than the full-size i9-300 Galaxy S3 International. Despite that, the Galaxy S3 Mini is still a solid mid to high range smartphone that gets the job done. 5 years of wear and tear took a toll, really only along the plastic silver rim, a problem that all plastic Galaxies have in common. So it's just obvious for me, EJ Tech, to fix this by removing the silver plastic rim, glue it together, sand it, and then repainted it. Put it back together and be good to go.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Alright, instead of Galaxy S3 Mini restoration, we get Galaxy S3 Mini disassembly and repair. So the Galaxy S3 Mini has a surprisingly simple construction. First, unscrew everything, like all the screws. Then, lift off this plastic cover with a plastic tool. Remove all the Lego connectors. And then carefully lift up the motherboard carefully to the left, because near the left side there is a display connector. Disconnect display connector, and that's it. Here's the whole inseparable front assembly. This includes the mid-frame, front buttons, microSD card contact pads, AMOLED display, and front glass. Something that the service manual already said that it's a whole piece. One of my college professors taught us something the first day he introduced us to the Arduino microcontroller. Something that I stood by every time I tinker with tech hardware. But my brain decided to not recall it this time until it's too late. So our professor told us this quote, RTFM. Read the manual. How did I forget that? Oh, FYI, he didn't scream it at the top of his lungs. That's just me. And because of my pathetic negligence, there goes 1,500 pesos or 30 US dollars to fix my up. Fortunately, that cash came out of my just recently received YouTube money. Bought an entire donor phone instead, since it is actually cheaper than just getting the front assembly. Reassembly is also just as straightforward. Soft buttons not working. I know this was working when I tested it. Alright, take 2. There we go. Also, you can see that even after a factory reset, 5 years of progress in the smartphone world definitely took a toll on the now measly Cortex-A9 based dual core. For comparison, my dad's new Moto E4 Plus, an entry middle range smartphone, has a 2 generations newer Cortex-A53 based quad core and triple the RAM. Boy, we have gone far in a short amount of time. That is why it is actually fun to revisit old tech. Likers gonna like, haters gonna hate, subscribe so you don't miss in my future videos, and I hope next time I don't break tech accidentally. RTFM guys.